YouTube's auto dubbing feature. Are you using it yet? Let me show you how.
So you turn on this feature by ticking this box here, allow automatic dubbing, and you find that in the advanced settings, which is a little bit tricky, and I'm going to show you where and the steps you need to do to actually find it. But just quickly before that, why would you want to be using the auto dubbing? Well, YouTube say automatic dubbing generates translated audio tracks in different languages that can make your videos more accessible for people around the world. So as an example, this particular video I'm recording in English. Once you turn on the auto dubbing, you then get the opportunity for it to be heard in French, German, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, and Spanish. Equally in reverse order, videos uploaded in those native languages can have the opportunity to be translated back to English. So it does say here in the information YouTube gave us, automatic dubbing isn't yet available for all creators. It's going to be rolled out as well. And lastly, before I show you how to do it, it says automatic dubbing helps make information more accessible globally, even though videos aren't necessarily appearing and being listened to in your native language of what the video was. So how do we do that in the settings and then advanced settings? Well, firstly, over here on the left, we click on settings, and then up pops this, and then we're going to click on upload defaults, and then we're going to click on advanced settings. See, I did tell you it was a little bit tricky. It's very hard for people to find. And we're going to scroll down a little bit, and that's where we see this particular button here, automatic dubbing. And I've already ticked the box. If you wanted to read that information that I had previously showing you, you would click on here, learn more. But allow automatic dubbing. Now, I've selected that for all of my future uploaded videos. And when I say future uploaded videos, you can't go back and automatically turn it on for videos that you've already uploaded to your channel, which I suppose is a little bit disappointing because I've got 350 of them. But moving forward, by having this box ticked, allow automatic dubbing, all future videos will now be accessible. And there are a few little options that we have. You can tick this box here that allows you to manually review the dubbings before they're published. Basically what it does, it gives you, I suppose, some control. The languages, you know, there could be translation errors and things like that. So AI and these tools now are becoming very, very good, but it does give you that, I suppose, flexibility. If you're not happy with the automatic dubbing, you can actually turn it off. But I've done that particular there, tick the box, allowing auto dubbing on all of my videos. So go to the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback and thoughts on YouTube's auto dubbing, and especially if you're listening to this in one of those different languages other than English. Leave a comment, let me know where you're tuning in from around the world. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, because I've got plenty more videos coming out in the next week or so. Equally, if you're watching this on any of my other socials, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, any of them, you know the drill. Give me a thumbs up and a like, and don't forget to share my video as well.